Hi, so I wanted to tell you guys why training is so important. So with microneedling, not everyone can do it. Of course, the rules and regulations are different from state to state. So you always have to look or hear with your medical or cosmetology board in your state what kind of license that is required to do microneedling. Nanoneedling have no state board regulations, which is great, but regular microneedling do. You can also contact the American Med Spa Association for all of that information. They should know. So here at MD Needle Pen, we only sell to medical and cosmetic professionals. And why I emphasize training is because some people think that, okay, I can just do 1 millimeter all over the skin and that's a microneedling treatment. Well, it's not that easy. You're doing your client a disservice if you just do one depth all over. There are different depths that you should go to in the skin to treat different concerns. So if someone have fine lines or deep wrinkles, acne scars, pigmentation, different kinds of pigmentation, they all need different depth. So this is, I think, what practitioners do a little bit wrong. They think that training is not that important with stuff like this because it doesn't penetrate that deep in the dermis. And I mean, like, just do the same treatment on everyone. No. That's not how it works at all. If you want the best possible results for your client, because they will come and tell you if they don't get results, you need to take a look at the needle depth chart and just use, common sense. You need to know the skin, the different layers in the skin, what the different layers do and what's there. So someone that is young, that have, maybe fine lines, a little bit pigmentation, you wouldn't treat the same like with someone that have deeper lines and maybe scarring and other pigmentation. It's very individual from person to person how you treat them. So when you purchase our MD Needle Pen Kit, you will get access to something called the Success Portal. And the Success Portal is an educational tool on our website. But if you want more training, we do have an in-depth online microneedling training for $295. It's 11 modules, and after each module, it is a test that you have to pass with 80% to move on to the next module. And we go over everything with microneedling in general, in-depth training. And I do recommend anyone that is new to this treatment to take this course because you will gain a lot of knowledge. I mean, it's like going to the dentist. Of course, you want to have someone that have done training. If you go to the gym, you want to have a trainer that is trained. If you go to an esthetician, you want to have an esthetician that is properly trained. If you go to a doctor or a nurse, you want to have them properly trained in the specific treatment. And I say this to you as a practitioner because I think that you feel the same as me. Like, if I go to someone that offer their services, I really hope that they're trained on what they do, because what's going to happen otherwise? So that's why I emphasize so much on training. And you guys are always welcome to either call us or email me, and I will try to help you answer the questions that you have. And if I don't have the answers, I will definitely make sure to ask someone to get the answer for you, because we're here for support and we want you to succeed and we want you to have happy clients.